Becker Train Trackers here in Madison, Tennessee. Right now we are at Williams Avenue and we actually drove through this road. Well, here we go. We've got some other train trackers up there too with their tripods and cameras. Looks like we're gonna catch a train today, folks.
We're gonna see how fast he's going.
We're gonna see how fast he's going, then we're gonna turn around and try to beat it to another crossing. Nesbitt Lane, we hope. So let's see. How about that? Not every day you get good timing like that.
Oh, it's another train.
It's actually another train. It's we thought one was
catch two of them, guys.
We thought it was coming from the other direction.
We're gonna catch two of them.
Because when we drove through this intersection a minute ago, there was a light coming from down here, and we thought it was going to come this way.
Two of them, guys.
So I don't know. I guess hold on and stay tuned. Let's see what happens.
Stay tuned. We're gonna catch two of them, guys. Wow, guys.
Whew. Car says it's 93 degrees today too. Pretty hot.
He's going fast. Wow.
Now that was a surprise. Because we thought it was coming from the other direction all along.
I guess we're gonna catch two of them.
Because there are two tracks here.
Yeah, so we're gonna catch two. You kidding me?
Well, patience does pay off.
We're gonna catch two of them. There it goes. That was not a long train. And now the other train is gonna come now.
So we've got some other train trackers here today outside. Not sure if it's Ethan Realfin or who it is, but at the last minute we saw them changing the location of their tripods for their cameras. So they probably, since they were actually on the track, saw that it was coming from the other direction fast. So they had to adjust real quick.
We got the action.
So I guess we'll hang out for a minute and see if the one from the other direction's coming.
We're gonna catch two of them, guys. I hear him.
Hear him? Let's see. Man, that was a surprise.
Two trains. I was thinking. Here he comes.
Here he comes. Oh my goodness. I don't think we've ever caught two back-to-back going opposite directions like this quickly.
Here he is.
So still Madison, still Williams Avenue. Now we have one coming from the other direction. Huh.
Man, he's going
Slow CSX train. We should have no problem beating this guy to the next track.
How about we go beat him?
All right, we'll check in a minute. All right, folks. And we're back in Madison still, here at West Monticello Avenue, where we've caught the same train. First time we've seen a train at this crossing.
trains.
2 trains back to back going in opposite directions. Becker train trackers are doing great today.
Yeah. I thought I heard one earlier. I guess I did.
Yep, because I didn't even hear it. You did. Good ears.
It's a person. This is so cool.
Whew, what a day.
He's on. There he is. Let's go.
Well, that's it for this episode of Becker Train Trackers. Until next time, and we'll show you our next train.